Hello, and today we're going to talk about some electrochemistry terms, mainly focusing on different units you might come across. First up, we have a coulomb, and a coulomb is defined as the charge associated with 6.242 times 10 to the 18th electrons, or another way of thinking of it is one electron has 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs of charge. Then we also have voltage, and voltage is basically the change in the charge is not associated with the amount of electrons. So imagine that we have two parallel plates, one negatively charged, the other one positively charged. And on point A, we have a coulomb of electrons. Now this coulomb of electrons is going to be repelled or pushed to the right from this negatively charged plate and pulled or attracted to the positively charged plate. So as that occurs, we're going to have a change in the potential energy of this as it makes that transition. And so basically, voltage is the number of joules of energy drop divided by the number of coulombs of charge transferred from point A to B. And if we're just thinking of it in the units, 1 volt is equal to a coulomb is equal to a joule divided by a coulomb, or simply V is equal to J over C. Then we have current. Now current is essentially figuring out how many electrons are moving. So imagine if we have an eye looking up, and it's able to observe electrons passing by. So if this eye was able to count how many electrons pass by in a given amount of time, that is what the current would be. So current is simply the charge divided by time. For thinking about the units, 1 amp is coulombs over seconds, or A is equal to C over S. And some of you may have seen this type of thing in physics, and that is normally defined as I is equal to Q over T. It's all the same thing. It's all saying current is charge divided by time. Anyway, hopefully this helps you out with knowing what type of terms we're using when we're talking about electrochemistry. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.